In today's video, I'm going to show you how to give Windows 11 liquid glass theme. First, make sure that you already have the Windhawk application already downloaded on your PC and open it up. And once inside, click on the Explore button. Then next is look for Windows 11 File Explorer Styler. All you have to do is click on Details. Then next is press the Install button. This pop-up window will then appear showing you with a warning, and if you would like to proceed, press accept risk and install. Then once done installing, switch to the settings tab. And now for the theme, choose translucent Explorer 11 and click on saved settings. Now head back to explore. Then here search up for translucent Windows and click on Details. Now press the Install button for this one, accept risk and install. Then switch to the Settings tab. And here we're going to customize some settings. Make sure that Windows Theme Custom Rendering is turned on, as well as New System Colors and Windows Theme Accent Colorizer. And for the background translucent effects, make sure that blur accent blur behind is selected. Then for the accent blur behind, we're going to change this to 0F0000000, basically 6 zeros after F. And once done, scroll up and click on Save Settings. Now head back to the Explore page and now look for Windows 11 Taskbar Styler. And here click on Details, then press Install. Then next switch to the Settings tab, and for the theme, we're gonna select Translucent Taskbar. Then of course, select Save Settings. And now go back to the Explore page. And now here look for the Windows 11 Notification Center styler, then press on Details, then press the Install button. Then next switch to the Settings tab, and of course for the theme, select Translucent Shell, and click on Save Settings. Now head back to the Explore page once again, and now look for Windows 11 Start Menu styler, then press Details, then once again install, then switch to the Settings tab and make sure that the theme was selected was Translucent Start Menu. And of course, don't forget to save settings. And lastly, right-click on your desktop's wallpaper, then click on Personalize. Then from here, click on Colors. Then make sure that you change your mode from light or custom to dark. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!